This stone house entrance features a covered porch with a long walkway. Potted plants filled with pink and red blooms line the stairs, creating a colorful and bright daytime scene. An arched wooden entranceway leads to a rustic door adorned with a wreath. Potted olive trees and lavender bushes frame the gravel path, nestled within a lush and green garden space. Large terracotta pots with lush greenery sit beautifully in this stone courtyard. The central wooden door is set into a rugged wall, while the irregular paving adds a rustic charm. Potted lavender in terracotta vessels flanks a sturdy wooden door. A classic pergola covers the entrance, casting soft shadows across the stone steps under the warm afternoon sun. Climbing vines and flowering plants adorn this lovely stone pathway. Irregular stones lead toward a wooden door, while the surrounding trees stand tall under a partly cloudy sky. Warm lanterns glow against stone walls covered in climbing vines. This evening courtyard features arched glass doors, a small bistro set, and cozy clusters of various potted plants. String lights drape over a wooden pergola, illuminating a wicker couch with patterned cushions. A coffee table holds a book and cup, creating a serene mood near the arched entrance. Purple flowers in decorative pots flank a path leading to a heavy wooden door. White gravel borders the stone walls, making this garden entrance feel peaceful and well-maintained. Large terracotta pots are arranged symmetrically along this stone pathway. Wall-mounted lamps light up the wooden door and the green vines that frame the entire rustic structure. A curved wicker sofa sits on a stone-paved patio near a table with candles. Overhead string lights bright the flowering vines and shrubs that surround this inviting outdoor area. This stone-floored porch leads directly to a wooden door framed by bright flowers. A sturdy wooden roof supported by beams covers the area, adding to the classic, rustic atmosphere. Wall-mounted lamps cast a warm glow over a narrow, stone-paved alleyway. A small table and chair invite guests to rest among the many potted plants lining the beautiful walkway. Neatly trimmed hedges border a patio paved with gray stone. A wicker couch with green cushions sits near a stone building featuring an arched doorway and elegant wall sconces. Ferns and lavender bushes line a stone pathway leading to a historic building. This vibrant garden setting is filled with pink and purple blooms that cover the entire entrance. Numerous terracotta pots with leafy ferns and pink blossoms line the path. A wooden door is framed by a stone wall and a dense tree, creating a very rustic and inviting setting.